This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Brian Tchaikovsky. Welcome home to this beautiful 3-bedroom 1.5 bath block single-family house in Apopka. Nestled close to town, this home sits on a fully fenced, cleared, large corner lot measuring over a quarter acre. No HOA, no CDD and no flood insurance required. Roof less than 2 years old. Brand new electric panel. As you walk inside, you will notice immediately the gorgeous luxury vinyl plank floors in the living room, kitchen, and hallways. The kitchen cabinets have been two-tone painted, matching nicely with the walls. Stainless steel appliances include the dishwasher, refrigerator, and oven. Bedrooms are spacious, with the primary having its own ensuite half bathroom. Very large laundry and utility room located at the back of the home is also fully ventilated, heated and cooled. The back screened and lanai is perfect for enjoying the Florida weather. Don't miss out on this one. For more information